Welcome to your channel. Today we're diving into the top investment strategies every beginner needs to know to start growing their wealth. From index funds to real estate, I'll break down simple, effective ways to invest your money wisely and build a secure financial future. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your approach, this video has something for everyone. Let's get started. 1. Introduction to investment strategies. Why invest? Investing is a key strategy for growing wealth over time. It allows money to work for you through capital appreciation, dividends, or interest. Setting financial goals. Before diving into investments, beginners should set clear financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or simply growing wealth. Having a goal in mind will help determine the right investment strategy. 2. Basic investment concepts. Risk versus reward. Explain that all investments carry some level of risk, but higher risk typically brings higher potential rewards. Beginners should assess their risk tolerance, how much risk they are comfortable taking based on their financial situation and personality. Time horizon. Emphasize that time horizon, how long one plans to invest, is a critical factor in determining investment strategies. For long-term goals, riskier investments like stocks can be considered, while short-term goals may require safer investments like bonds or savings accounts. 3. Index funds. What are index funds? An index fund is a type of mutual fund or ETF designed to replicate the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Index funds are low-cost, diversified, and ideal for beginners. Why index funds? Low fees. Index funds typically have lower expense ratios compared to actively managed funds. Diversification. They spread investments across many companies, reducing the impact of a single company's performance on the overall portfolio. Simplicity. Index funds are straightforward and require minimal maintenance, making them perfect for beginner investors who want a set it and forget it approach. How to invest in index funds? Beginners can easily start by opening an account with a brokerage or a robo-advisor. Many platforms offer access to index funds with minimal fees and automated portfolio management. 4. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. What are ETFs? ETFs are similar to index funds but trade like stocks on an exchange. They can track indexes, sectors, commodities, or specific types of assets. Why ETFs? Liquidity. ETFs can be bought and sold throughout the day like stocks, offering flexibility to investors. Low fees. Similar to index funds, ETFs typically have low fees, making them an affordable option for beginners. Diversification. Many ETFs offer broad exposure to different sectors, countries, or themes, helping to spread risk. How to invest in ETFs? Like index funds, investors can purchase ETFs through online brokerage accounts. Some popular platforms include Vanguard, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab. 5. Real estate investment. Why real estate? Real estate has long been a favorite investment for wealth building. It offers appreciation. Over time, property values tend to increase. Cash flow. Real estate can generate passive income through rental properties. Inflation. Hedge. Real estate often outpaces inflation, protecting purchasing power. Options for beginners. REITs, real estate investment trusts. For those who don't want to buy physical property, REITs offer a way to invest in real estate without the hassles of property management. REITs pool investors' money to purchase and manage income-producing properties. Rental properties. Buying and renting out properties can provide a steady cash flow, but it requires capital, management, and the ability to handle repairs or hire property managers. Risks in real estate. Real estate is typically less liquid than stocks or bonds, meaning it can take time to sell a property. Additionally, market downturns or property-specific issues, for example, vacancy, maintenance costs, can reduce profitability. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel for more videos.